Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom shapes in Canva. Whether you're a professional designer or just starting out, mastering shapes in Canva can really elevate the look of your designs and help you create visuals that stand out. So let's dive right in. First, open Canva and start a new design project, or open an existing one you'd like to edit. Once you're inside the Canva editor, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Elements. This is where all the creative magic begins. Inside the Elements tab, you'll find a huge selection of graphics, icons, and shapes. In the search bar at the top of this section, type shapes. Canva will instantly display a wide variety of geometric and decorative shapes, everything from simple circles and rectangles to abstract designs and frames. If you want to explore more options, click See All. This expands the views so you can scroll through and find the perfect shape that fits your project. Once you find one you like, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. Now that the shape is added, you can easily resize it by dragging the corners or edges. If you want to stretch or distort it freely, hold the Shift key while dragging. This allows you to experiment with proportions and create something truly unique. Next, let's customize the color. With your shape selected, look to the top toolbar and click the color palette icon. From here, you can pick from preset colors, explore your brand palette, or enter a hex code for precise coloring. Play around until you find a color combination that enhances your design's overall theme. You can also layer multiple shapes together to form custom designs, like icons, badges, or background accents. Try adjusting the transparency or rotation to make your composition more dynamic. Canva's drag and drop controls make this process simple and intuitive. Once you're happy with your design, take a moment to review your composition. Check how the shapes align, how the colors interact, and whether your layout feels balanced. And that's it. You've just learned how to create custom shapes in Canva, a skill that can instantly make your projects more creative, professional, and visually appealing. Keep experimenting with different shapes, colors, and effects to develop your own unique design style. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.